as a controller, because in this situation, this is very crucial situation. That's why I think I would suggest the government will make a regulation about this. Some like as China's make a regulation that Facebook cannot be accessed in a very large number, because so, as I know from China, they have been banned Facebook, right? Some
Just Weibo.
just several people can do that,
Yeah.
can access that. Yeah? I think this is best a good wisdom, a good regulation from the governments to protect their citizens from the dangers of the social media, so that the people of China cannot be fooled, cannot be and somehow cannot be controlled by the with American interest, American interest, uh, so that if you ask me about my family, I think regulation cannot. I will bring this kind of wisdom to my family, to my role as a